sing a song. My song is Oh Holy Night. Yeah. Oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is a night of our dear Savior's word. Bows his word, which is an air abounding unto Eve, and his shore times it poor. He says, for your